Here we go. Team USA. Listen to me. Listen good. Remember your training? This is the final stretch. It all comes down to this. We are the champions, my friend. Volleyballers, get ready to spike that shit. Canoe team, roll your mother. Wrestlers, grab your opponents and drop them like they're hot. Karate, be like them Twinger brothers from last week. Horse stance, and kick them in the nuts. Sweep the leg, baby. Cyclists, pedal like someone cranked your Peloton to the max. Windsurfers, catch that earth, wind, and fire.
Nice.
Climbers, reach the mountaintop. And all my homies, in a modern pentathlon, rest up, because that's a long-ass event. Kevin, did I miss anybody?
I don't think you did. I think you pretty much covered it all.
Hold on. Divers, equestrians,
Wow.
skateboarders. We're all so proud of you. Dig deep. You slept on cardboard for this.
It's true.
Bring home that gold and let the church say, amen.
Wow. Wow.